Hi, I'm Scott Brady with Overland Journal and Expedition Portal, and I am here in the Overland International headquarters with a very special vehicle for us to test and evaluate. It's the 2019 Ford Ranger that has been fully outfitted and accessorized by ARB USA.
The Ford Ranger has proven to be a good choice for overland travel because of its 1,600-pound payload and its powerful and efficient ecoboost 4-cylinder motor. But there are systems that need to be improved with the Ranger for overlanding, which is why ARB in Australia applied their engineering and outback experience towards designing a broad range of accessories for the Ford. Then we had the chance to take it out into the wilds of Arizona to see how it does in the field. One of the most important modifications for long-distance remote travel is suspension. The stock Ranger needs help in this area, particularly with the rear springs and shock valving. For this, the Old Man Emu suspension provides a 60mm lift for more clearance and increased spring rates to take the weight of the bull bar and winch. In our testing, the suspension performed well on the pavement and at higher speeds on the dirt. Handling at high speeds on the pavement is important, and it is also critical that the Ranger is able to maintain grip and control at moderate speeds on the dirt. But it is with low speed articulation that the Old Man Emu suspension also made significant improvements. In cross-axle terrain, the ARB Ranger showed increased flex over the stock suspension, helping to keep tires on the ground and the cab level. This not only improves traction, but it also greatly improves driver confidence. Articulation and shock valving is also important in the rocks, helping to keep the tires in contact with the surface and the vehicle moving forward. Lastly, the Old Man Emu suspension system provides 2 inches of lift for additional ground clearance and the fitment of larger diameter tires. The goal of overlanding is to explore the remote corners of the globe, or even our own home state, and for that, we need to be prepared for the unknown. The Ranger has an ARB bull bar installed, along with LED intensity lights and a 12-volt Warn winch. To manage a wide range of road and trail conditions, the ARB Ranger has 285/70 R17 BF Goodrich all-terrains on aftermarket wheels. At the rear of the Ranger, ARB fitted their full-length drawer system that houses a hydraulic jack, mounts for a set of Tread Pros, and a full complement of ARB recovery gear. ARB has decades of experience engineering products for remote travel. We've installed their equipment on vehicles we have used on all 7 continents. For the traveler, modifications like air locking differentials give us the confidence to explore, even when the road is filled with washouts, rocks, and ruts. In off-highway conditions, the Ranger now has traction provided by improved articulation, better tires, and a rear air locker differential. The Ranger is an important new model on the market, and it is good to see the aftermarket respond with high-quality accessories to meet the needs of the Overlander. ARB now has an entire system for the Ranger, including front and rear bumpers, side rails, suspension, snorkel, drawer system lights, their new Lynx controller, and a rear locker. The Ranger and ARB accessories complement each other in the field, working in concert to not only improve performance, but give us the confidence to explore the unknown.